only been able to walk around with just like my natural loose Locs outfit since 2020.
Like I said, just be real meticulous of is reattaching them. Hold on, let me take a picture. Right. I'm definitely gonna try to. This is your dang area, but yeah. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. Back right, basically. Your roots are amazing. Alright, hold your head straight. Okay, so it looks different.
It's kind of more like a dirty sand.
Braids and cornrows. We're not doing that. We wash it, condition it, and just go.
This done, and then like I said, in like a month or two, once you start accepting the colors again, I want to confirm some of my thinner locks, but
yeah,
like perimeter and stuff like that, to the side of like themes. I love it.
The hair, you know, like I said, it started with the locks, and so yeah, I think I did it. Yeah, he was like, no, I'm thugging it. Because that's how I look at it as art. Yeah. That's why I put colors in it and stuff. And people are starting to put colors in it, but I'm like, that hurt me. That hurt me. And so for you to just do it, and like I said, she got over 100,000 followers. Right. Utility charge. I just gotta get a system to how to do that. I'm too old for that, so I just want to avoid that as much as I can. That's what I say. I just wanted to move, meet new people. Yeah, but that's what I'm in the process of looking for my feather home. Because we think there's a curse on the family. See, my dad is African. We think it's a curse on the family. Me and my cousins, we are. So that is something. Just that everything is shells. Just like shells. I guess I love that. That's another. A big gift home. I'm in love with you know, like, you should look at right, yeah, I'm serious. I'm despising that. So they can feel it. You know what I'm saying? They all find something. Because it's pictures. Just like when I was younger, they showed them all the time. probably gonna go too.